Most drivers are doing it backwards, and I don't mean in reverse. Learning how to drive. Too many drivers go out, drive around, a couple of days before their driver's test, freak out that they have to learn how to parallel park, three-point turn, and back into a parking space. Do these exercises first. These will teach you how to drive faster, and most importantly, teach you about the blind areas around your vehicle. And this is what the exercises in this video will teach you what to do and make you a safer, smarter driver and prepare for your driver's test faster. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. So whenever you're practicing, have your seatbelt on. You have to have your seatbelt on for the duration of your road test. So have it on when you're practicing. That way you'll be ready for it. And we'll just wait for this cyclist here to get out of the way so we can maneuver around here. And we go around. First thing you want to do is you want to nose into the cone. So get yourself straightened around and then nose into the cone so you can hit the cone. And this is a good setup for them. Just have them in a reverse stall park configuration. Straightforward, bump the cone, okay? And then back up. Make sure you're looking behind you, straight through the back window. You got to have that technique down for the purposes of the road test. I'll put a video up in the corner for you on proper reversing. Over the cone, bump it with the wing mirror on the driver's side, okay? Then you want to go around in a big circle here, come around, and we'll do the passenger side. This video is made possible by the course package. Pass your driver's test first time, because we know, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details. So, wing mirror on the passenger side, tap the cone, just like that. It's going to bang a little bit on the car, but it's not going to do any damage. It's plastic. Your car is well, there we go. Go slow in case it does get hooked up there. So, and then we just move forward, and again we can move forward here, and then we can bump it on the back of the car. Okay, straight back, car into reverse like this, straight back here, and then bump it. Bump the cone. And for smaller cars, you're going to be able to see it over the back. For those of you who have newer vehicles, you're going to have backup cameras. That's going to make it really easy. Now the final one here, I got to watch all the people on bicycles here going through the parking lot here. Okay, and the final one is to reverse stall park and hit the cone when you're going around trying to back in on the reverse stall park. And again, we're looking out through the window, wing mirror, and again I told you the importance of wing mirrors. And again, bump the cone. I could feel the vehicle move up over the base of the cone, but I completely missed it when I went in there. Okay, but again, try and bump the cone. That way you're going to learn where your vehicle is in space and place. And that's what you're trying to do here. Trying to figure out where your vehicle is in space and place. Okay, and I bumped the cone that time. And then go around and do it on the driver's side. Back in from the driver's side here. Like this. And again, we want to be looking over this shoulder because this is the way we're backing in this time. And around. And I completely missed it. I'm trying to hit the cone. I can't seem to hit the cone. There we go. And use your wing mirrors. Get used to using your wing mirrors. That's a great skill for lane changing and observing when you're driving. And there, I heard it, listened. So make sure you have your window down on your vehicle. That way you can hear better. I've got my other windows down on the vehicle. That's how I heard it. So, a few exercises for hitting the cones, learning where your vehicle is in space and place, and improving your mastery of the primary controls. This is the purpose of this exercise. No, it's just not to go out and bang into cones with your parents' vehicle or your friends or families. It's to learn where your vehicle is in space and place and improve the mastery of the primary controls. That way you're going to be a better driver overall when you get out into traffic with other drivers and other road users. For another video, click here. To subscribe, click here. Thanks very much for watching, and remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.